everything you just said because your phone was breaking in and out. Can you repeat everything you said?
Okay, sure. So my call today is about the 2023 Medicare COVID-19 test program. Eligible Medicare recipients can receive up to 8 over-the-counter COVID-19 tests each calendar month at no cost throughout the COVID-19 public health emergency. I just need to verify a few pieces of information so we can ship your test directly to your home. Is that okay?
I guess. That's okay. I guess.
Okay, thank you.
And what's your name again? I didn't get your name. What was your name?
I am Anne from First Choice Testing. So may I have your first and last name?
My name is Richard N. Bush.
Can you spell it for me, please, your first name?
Oh, Richard R-I-C-H-A-C-H.
C-H.
A-R-D.
Okay, that's R-I-C-H-A-R-D.
Correct.
And your last name, please?
Bush. B-U-S-H.
Is it B as in ball, A as in avatar, U as in Uranus, and S as in sit, and H as in house?
Can you repeat that again?
Your last name is B?
Yes.
A as in apple? U
No.
as
No
in-
A. No A. Just B-U-S-H.
Oh, okay, so it is Richard Bush. Your
Right.
first and last name,
Yeah,
am I correct?
Richard N. Bush. Correct.
Okay, Richard. And the spelling of your last name is B-U-S-H.
Correct.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, hey,
Can I have your
can I,
street address, please?
excuse me?
I'm sorry.
What do you need what?
Your street address.
Oh, street address? That'll be
Yes, sir.
2985 North 13th Street.
That's 2985
Right.
North.
13th.
Can you repeat that again?
13th. The number after 12th, 13th Street.
Is it the 1 3 or 30?
No, 13.
Okay. 13 Street.
Right.
Okay, I will repeat your street address, okay, sir? That's 2985 North 13 Street. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. And how about your city?
The city and state, that'll be Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 53206.
Can you spell your city, please?
Or that'll be M-I-L. M-I-L.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, W-A.
Next.
U.
U.
K.
Oh, is it MILWAUKEE?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. And how about your state?
Wisconsin.
Can you spell it for me?
W.
W-I-S.
C-O-N.
Is it Wisconsin? Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Can I say this?
And
Can I say this? Can I say this? Damn, I like your voice. You sound very cute.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome. But you sound very cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
May I have your zip code, please?
53206.
53206. That's correct, right?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. And how about your primary phone number?
My primary phone number is 414
414
555
555
1212.
1212. Okay, I'll repeat it again. 414 555 1212.
Correct.
Okay, so do you have a Medicare insurance card?
Medicare or Medicaid?
It's Medicare.
Oh, Medicare, yeah, I got that.
Do you have the old one or the new one?
What's the old one? The red. I got red, white, and blue. I got that one.
I'm sorry.
Red, white, and blue card.
I will be needing the new one.
What's the new one?
The blue at the top, it has the color blue at the top on the Medicare Health Insurance name.
I guess this must be the new one then. But man, I like your voice. How can I ask how old are you? If you don't mind.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Can I ask how old are you? Your age? You sound like about.
Okay, that. Thank you for your compliment.
Hey, but you sound.
Right now, I will be needing your Medicare first,
Okay.
so we can proceed with the
Hey,
application.
but hey, don't mind. Don't mind if I'm flirting. I like to flirt. And I don't know. I like your voice.
Okay, thank you so much.
Mhm.
Then I have your Medicare insurance ID number.
Okay.
Your Medicare.
Okay, that be
Is
F.
it? I will be. Excuse me, sir. I will be needing the active one. Okay.
Yeah, I only have one. But I don't.
Okay.
Damn,
Is
but
it
I don't.
active?
Yes, it's very active. But shit, I don't know.
Okay,
I
thank
don't
you
know.
so
I don't know. I don't know where I placed it though.
Okay. Can I have the number? Your number?
I don't know where.
Medicare number?
I don't know where I placed it.
It's below your name.
I
on
don't
the
know.
ID.
No, my card. I don't know where I placed it. I misplaced it. I don't know where I put it.
Oh,
I
so
can't-
you
I can't- I
don't
can't.
have it right now.
I can't find it. Shit, I'm sorry. But but I like talking with you. That voice, I like your voice.
Okay.
And can I ask you this? Can I ask you this? Where's that accent from? I like your accent too.
We are from California.
California.
Can you find your
That's it,
find your
but that's the
Medicare
thing,
insurance ID for me?
I don't know where I put it. So
Oh, that's sad. Then I will. Unfortunately, we cannot proceed with the application without your insurance ID.
all right. Well, I don't know what I did with it. I'm sorry my bad for wasting your time. Hey, but you do sound cute.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Hey, but you do sound cute. You
Thank
sound very cute. I like your voice.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So, again, we will not be able to proceed with the application without your Medicare insurance ID. So,
Okay.
I will now be ending the call, and thank you so much for
All
your
right.
time.
Okay, no problem. But hey, can I ask you this? Are you Filipina? You sound like you're from the Philippines. I like that accent. It's fly. I like it.
Thank you. But we are located in Urban, California. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a nice day.
All right, hey, stay cute. All right.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye. Have a good one. I was trying to flirt with her, but oh well. I didn't want to give her my fake ID number because I was like, but oh well. Hey, bro, what y'all think about that? Was that a little hilarious? It went a little longer than what I thought, but oh well. But like, comment, subscribe, share if you like. And like I say, if they call me, I will record. But y'all have a good day. Have a good one. Have a good weekend. And I'll holla at y'all. All right then. Peace.